Cisco. Okay, next we can give exit. Then we can go to the each interface, direct connector interface. So the direct connector interface of router 0 is fast Ethernet 0, serial 0/0 and serial 0/0/1. So go to the all the interface and enable that RIP next generation routing protocol. So here we can go to fast Ethernet 0/0. Here we can give IP version 6 space RIP space Cisco. Cisco is the name. So router RIP space, here we can give the character, so that character name is can be given same as it is in that interface also. So then we can give enable. So this is an syntax for enabling an RIP next generation routing protocol. Next we can go to the serial interface serial 0/0/0. Here we can give IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable exit. Next we can go to the another direct connector interface is interface serial 0/0/1. Here we can give IP version 6 RIP space Cisco enable exit. In IP version 4 we can give direct connector network. So in IP version 6, instead of the direct connector network, we can go to the direct connected interface. So in that interface we can give IP version 6 RIP, then RIP name is Cisco, then we can enable. Okay, now we can configure RIP next generation routing protocol to router 1. So we can go to the global mode. So in global mode we can give IP version 6 space router space RIP. Next we can give the RIP next generation route name. So in router 0 we can give Cisco, so the same name can be given in router 1 also. So here we can give Cisco exit. Next the router 1 direct connected interface is fast Ethernet 0/0, serial 0/0/0 and serial 0/0/1. So we can go to the direct connector interface fast Ethernet 0/0. So here we can give IP version 6 router, so IP version 6 RIP space Cisco. Next we can give enable exit interface serial 0/0/0, IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable exit interface serial 0/0/1. Here we can give IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable. Okay, now we can configure RIP next generation routing protocol in router 1. Now we can configure the RIP next generation routing protocol into router 2. So we can go to the router 2 global mode. So in the syntax for creating RIP next generation routing protocol is IP version 6 space router space RIP, then we can give the name RIP name. So the RIP name can be common for all the router. So here also we can give Cisco exit. So the direct connector interface is fast Ethernet 0/0 and serial 0/0/0 and serial 0/0/1. So we can go to that each interface and enable that RIP. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Here we can give IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable exit interface serial 0/0/0, IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable exit interface serial 0/0/1, IP version 6 RIP Cisco enable exit. Okay, now we can configure RIP next generation routing protocol into router 2. We can check. So we can go to the router 0. Here we can configure IP version 6. So the syntax for checking the routing configuration is show IP version 6 root. Here we can see R indicates the RIP, so we can get the advertisement from the neighboring router. Okay, we can check into R1 router exit show IP version 6 route. Yeah, here also we can get advertisement from the neighboring router. We can check into router 2 show IP version 6 space route. Yeah, here also we can get advertisement from the neighboring router. Okay, we can check show IP version 6 interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Here we can see in fast Ethernet 0/0 interface we can assign only global address, then we can enable that interface. So now it automatically generate the link local address. Here we can see fast Ethernet 80::2E0:B0FF::FE45:6D01. So this is MAC address of router 0 fast Ethernet 0/0 port. So the MAC address is show int fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, this is an router 0 MAC address. MAC address is 00E0:B045:6D01. It is an hexadecimal, so the MAC address is 48 bit. So in that 48 bit, first 7th bit is, that means 0 indicates 0000, next 0 indicates 0000. So the first 7th bit is 0 means we can take an as 1. If it is 1 means we can take an as 0. So here we can put 1 means 02E0.B045.6D01. So the leading 0 can be eliminated. Next we can add it into that IP version 6 address link local 2E0: next B0. So totally